Hi everyone, I'm your Math Concept instructor. My name is Laura Low. You can call me Miss Low. Sorry I missed your first ground section. I'm visiting my family in Taiwan, but definitely you will see me in the second ground section. And thank you for Jenny to cover for me in the Envyville campus, and Ron will cover for me in the San Jose campus. I believe you already logged into our math class. But here I want to go through a few videos with you to make sure you can learn more efficient for our math concept class. So the first thing you can see from the desktop, you will see the login page from Canvas. The URL link is expression.instructure.com. So you have your login name and password. So let's click Stay Login. So after you log in, the first welcome page you will see is from Ron. He has few important information for you. As you know here, we are the first ground section. Total we have 3 on ground section. That's all mandatory. So please make sure you can participate. If you have any emergency, you need to inform me in advance. So the first ground section is the first week, and the second ground section will during week of April 14, and the final section is during the week of May 5th. The most important thing here Ron talk about is online attendance required to log on to Canvas at least twice a week. However, we really strongly encourage you to at least log in 4 to 5 times, because sometimes we have, like math class, we have at least 5 or 6 assignments each week. If you don't constantly log in, you will miss some important deadline for each assignment. Okay, so I think definitely you log in already, so you can briefly read through the important thing. And also for the online GE class, we also have GE Lab, so you can get help and work with the tutor. Later, I will show you how to find the lab hours for the GE online class, for the GE lab. Okay, so how to go access to our class? From the login page, you can see you have courses, assignment, and the grade. So the first thing, let's go to Math Concept. That's 1403 for this term. Okay. So you can see the reminder here. We have the first round section for Envyville and the first round section for San Jose. For Canvas platform, they have 2 different parts. The first part is the traditional navigation part. You can access home, announcement, discussion, and our module. And in the middle, that's the content page. So when you log in, they will bring you to the course home. So the easier way to browse the page from the Canvas, you can go through page by page. For example, here is our course home. That's my welcome page. So if you want to just follow the sequence, you can see the arrow. The next page, they will bring you to the course detail. Okay, before we go to the next page, I want to remind you, all the time you will see the blue link. That means you have important document you need to download. So here for our course home, we have the syllabus for you to download. Syllabus is the summary for the whole course. So we talk about the course outcome or the content for each module. I encourage you to download that and go through page by page. So to download each document, you just can one click, so they will download the page for you. Not only for the syllabus, and also for my course file, also in the PDF format. So no matter you are using the Windows system or use the Mac system, you also can view the PDF file. The good thing for the Canvas is if you're going down here, they will show you all the schedule, so you can see very clear from each day what assignment due. So definitely you don't need to go through everything for now. However, I just want to show you here, you can very clear to see all the course, all your assignment, when is the due date and when is the assignment date. Okay, so to be prepared, if you are new to the Canvas system, here we have a couple important links. You can go to the Canvas orientation. They will show you overall how to access each, how to make your setting, how to make the notification to your cell phone to remind you the deadline for each assignment. And also earlier, like I said, if you want to know the GLab schedule, you also can go through from here. Okay, so that's our course welcome page. If you click the link on the arrow here, they will go to the course detail. So that's the specific outcome for this course. This course, we have total 7 modules. The module 0, we will go through the basic operation for the fraction, decimal, and the percentage. And also we will show you some word problem to work through that. And the following week, we will do the equation part for the linear equation and linear inequality. So here, the specific outcome, that's for all the module, the 7 module we want you to learn. So besides the equation, the following one we will talk about the geometry part. And also following with the geometry, in the geometry course, we will talk about the inductive reasoning and deductive reasoning. The next module, we will talk about exponential notation, and also we will talk about all the calculation for the polynomial and perform all the operation on the scientific notation. The next 2 modules, we will talk about radical expression. We will see how to simplify radical expression, and also we will use the Pythagorean theorem and the circle equation as the real world application. Continue, we will talk about rational and irrational expression. From here, you will use the factor to solve quadratic equation. The last module, I will talk about the basic concept for the probability. And also, I will use the card game, blackjack, usually we say that's 21, to demonstrate how to apply probability on different card games. So that's basic what we will cover in the 7 module for the math concept class. So the next page is the course description. I will let you to read through everything. So the most important thing is we have 2 textbooks for you to refer to. The first one is the basic, is the beginning algebra, and the second one is the basic geometry for college student. So the both book, the textbook, if you didn't pick up from the library, please make sure after the ground section today, please stop by the library to pick up the both textbook. I don't have any homework assignment assigned from the textbook. The purpose for the textbook here is if you go through my lecture file and also you go through the video file, you still have some problem, and some students I know they like to access to read paper on the paper, so then you can go through the textbook. Okay, so the most important thing, next one, we will talk about the course policy and grading. For all the G class, the passing grade is D, that will be 65%. For this class, total we have 1,000 points, that will be 100%. So from here you can see we have 18% from the quiz. On quiz, we have total 7 modules, but we only have 6 quiz. Because the last module, I will skip the quiz and right away have the final exam. For each quiz, that will be 30 points. So total 6 quiz will be 180 points. Discussion, the same thing, that will be every week. We have 7 modules, so each discussion is 15 points. So the other 15 points is for the first module. So if you start the first module, module 0 already, you will see we have 2 discussion topics. The first one is the self-introduction. I want to everyone know about each other well. So only for the module 0, we have 2 discussions, so total is 30 points. For the following module, each discussion topic is 15 points. Self-review. When you hear about self-review, what you will think about? Okay, so self-review here, actually I mean homework assignment. For each module, usually we have 2 to 4 self-review. So each self-review usually is 20 points. So total you see 400 points. That's mean for the 7 module total we have 20 self-review. So you have 20 homework due. Ground section participation. Ground section participation total is 50 points. But here the ground section participation is only for the first ground section and the second ground section. So each one is 25 points. So then you will ask, we have the 3 on ground section, right? So where the third on ground section? The third on ground section, we will do your final project presentation. So the participation points are included in the final project presentation. So later I will talk about how to do your outline for the final project and the final project. Outline for the final project due by the second ground section, that's 20 points, is 2% for the whole class. And your final project due on the third ground section is 80 points. And also we have final exam, that's comprehensive. That's for everything you learn from this class. Total is 150 points. So you add on everything, we have total 1000 points. To pass this class, at least you need to receive 650 points. So that's our course home, to go through the basic information and the grading on the grading scale to help you to understand how you achieve to pass this class and how you will pace yourself to understand better. If you click the next one, they will show you the next module, or they will show you the module page. I will talk about in the next video.